In this video, we'll walk you through how to export high-quality videos using Camtasia. First, we'll begin by exporting the video with the default settings to see the baseline quality. Next, we'll move on to exporting with advanced settings for enhanced results. Start by changing the frame rate to 60 for smoother playback. Then, set the video quality to its highest for crystal clear visuals. Finally, adjust the audio bitrate to suit your needs for the best sound experience. That's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in next videos.